ฮัลโหลหน่อย
Hello, Noi. Sweaty cop. Okay, it's time to go make the donuts. Go over here. Hot rice cow. Harvest cow. Sweaty cop. Hello. Go make the donuts. I help farm rice. Careful, careful. Issan. Name a village.
น้ำมะเขือ
Namakua. Namakua.
yes
Namakua.
yes
Sakonakon.
yes
Oi.
ดึงถุงข้าว
Doi. Doi husband.
no
Boyfriend.
man from village
Here comes
Chick.
Dan's daughter.
Uh.
P-Doi. The farmer. Another farmer. Farm rice.
พอแล้ว
Bye. Go.
ทางพันบ่นะ
This is rice harvesting season. Dan.
ถ่ายคุณลิกคุณเลยไป
Let me see. Thank you. Oi. Oh, you record now. Good thinking. See,
yes
Danny,
you me.
Danny, see? Mean record. R-E-C. See, dang.
record was me
Record mean video on.
อ๋อ
Yes.
sorry นะ before
Yes,
I
you
cannot
look
speak
like-
English
You look, that's okay. No problem. You look like invisible lady.
Huh?
Invisible lady.
festival lady
Yeah, see, you cut with sickle. And then you stack up. And then someone come
come to make rice
and then come to cut rice.
yes yesterday my
How you make cow? How you make white rice? You understand?
yes understand but I cannot teach you
Oh,
you must look next time
yes. Papa make white?
yeah
I want to see.
oh next time not now cannot have rain
Must have rain?
yes have rain come cannot make rice
White.
white
I like to see the whole process. I'll show you this word process. I want to see rice cut, rice make white, rice take away from. I want to see rice.
oh next time maybe machine maybe can do
Oh, thank you. Farmer
but before
Dan.
I can do you know
Fish pond. We swim here.
これまたいいか
P-Doi farmer.
หาถุงเท้าใส่กับรองเท้า
P-Doi sickle. Sickle.
เกี่ยว
Kiiow. Kiiow. Okay, I gotta jump down into the paddy. Oh yeah. There's no rain here. Last 2-3 weeks, no rain. Need rain for rice. This is rice paddy. Kundan. She cut rice now.
This farmer เอ้ยเมื่อกี้เอานี่วะสรุปเมื่อกี้เอานี่วะมาเที่ยวน้ำกันเนี่ย
Zoom, zoom. So I. Doy. Should go farm another paddy. You ever farm with water?
No water.
Before?
No.
Oh.
Not rain, no water.
Oh.
No good if have rain
Oh.
for.
Okay, this is Kunrik, very hot, sweaty, many clouds. Good for cut rice.
Yeah. If have rain, no good for cut rice.
Oh.
No.
I don't know why.
Not so bad.
Oh,
No
dry.
good.
Okay, must be dry.
Yes.
Not wet. Very difficult. Okay, I do this. You take video.
Okay.
Because video almost finished. Okay. Okay, I work very hard. You know, I used to cut stone. Here's some mine stone. See, like this. Sickle.
Careful.
Fix that. Okay. You gotta watch out you don't go whoosh, and lose the family right. Geez, if you had real big hands, you could make a big bunch. Stock here. Rice. Rice. Not cooked. Okay,
Okay. You put? Yes.
Okay?
No, yes.
Yes. Stack it this way.
Same.
Coach bag, see coach. Coach.
Okay.
Yes, farmers have beautiful handbags. They make lots of money.
Farmer, beautiful lady.
Yes, very beautiful.
You think?
She looks like invisible lady. Use the sickle, gather the clump, and
You put down, did you see that? Not finished, you see it. Big.
Oh. She laughs at me. This is like impossible. They call Falang to cut rice. Yes, Falang cut rice. He worked very hard all his life. And Falang likes spicy food too. Okay, and I think that's enough of the video. I should be famous now, superstar.
Falang Kiiow make right?
Yes, Falang Kiiow make rice. Falang Kiiow mean shipbird. Ki means shit. Nok mean bird. Foreigner always shipbird. Not same Thai people. Yes, big joke. Okay. Yes, I missed some. Oh, I missed some of these stalks. You ever see snake, Danny?
For a long time.
You ever see snake in here?
No.
Never, huh?
Yes.
Lucky. I always thought big cobra in rice paddy. You know cobra?
No.
Cobra.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, this is the proper way to carry a sickle. And the word for sickle is Kiiow.
Kiiow.
Kiiow. Kiiow. No singing. Work. Enjoy sing.
Have song are good for work. Not tired.
Not tired.
Forget time.
Forget, yeah. Good. Cell phone. Cell phone important.
Forget time.
Forget time.
Yes.
Forget hard work.
Yes.
Forget sun.
Yes.
Very far. Maybe come close. Okay, enough. You can shut the video.
Okay.
Just close.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Toodles.
Toodles.
Shut up.
Yeah.